calculate the weight of a concrete cube in kilograms. Hello everyone,
Everyone,
welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to calculate the weight of a concrete cube in kilograms, step by step. Step 1. Formula. The basic formula to calculate the weight of a concrete cube is weight kilograms volume m square and density of concrete kilogram per millipower. Step 2. Determine the volume of the cube. The formula for the volume of a cube is volume equals side length Q. If the cube size is 150 millimeters, that means the side length is 0.15 meters. So volume equals 0.154 equals 0.003375 millisquarters. Step 3. Use the density of concrete. For normal concrete, we use a typical density of 2,400 kilograms per cubic meter, kilo per megacarson. Step 4. Calculate the weight. Now multiply the volume by the density. Weight equals 0.003375 times 2,400 to 8.1 kilograms. Final answer. Here's a quick summary in tabular form. Cube size, volume, memperqueer, density, weight, kilograms, height, 150 millimeters, 0.03375, 2,400 is 8.1 kilograms. 100 millimeters, 0.001, 2,400, 22.4 kilograms. 200 millimeters, 0.008, 20 is 19.2 kilogram. Notes. If the cube is wet, its weight may increase by 1-2%. For lightweight concrete, use a density of around 800 kilogram per megacarton. For high-density concrete, the density can go up to 600 to 800 kilogram. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more practical engineering tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.